Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, here with a quick case card class, and you'll all be glad to hear that I'm feeling a lot better, and my cough and cold seems to be shifting at last, and I don't sound like Marge Simpson. Well, hopefully I don't. I did, very much so, in the week. I'm feeling a lot better, and thank you for all your get well wishes and your lovely comments that you've left for me and emails. Thank you so much. So this is today's card, and it is using a different stamp set, one that again has been sat on my shelf, haven't used it that much, and now the sun's going to come out and make it hard for you to see, but hopefully it'll be okay. So this is the card, and we will be using Best Bird stamp set. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous stamp set is in our current catalogue, and we're also using our Birds and Blooms thin lit dies, and you just need one of the little birds here. Now, this has been cased from Pinterest, and it was put on there from createitwithstamps.blogspot.ni. So thank you for putting that on Pinterest and inspiring us. And I'm doing two different colours. I've made this one in real red, and this one we're going to be doing in Tempting Turquoise. So your card base is very vanilla, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I'm using some of my DSP that I have stashed, and this is in Tempting Turquoise, and it is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. You will also need a scrap piece of very vanilla. Now these scrap pieces here are cut at, this is 1 1/8 of an inch by 4, and this is 1 inch by 3 7/8. No, it isn't, sorry, I cut it at, sorry, I'll start again. This one is 1 1/8 by 4, and this is 1 inch by 4, and then you just cut them down. You'll need a scrap piece of Tempting Turquoise as well, and we'll go ahead and we're using the Petite Petals punch, so you just need one of those. So we'll do that now, get that out the way. Also, I have cut a doily in half, so obviously one doily will do 2 cards. And what do we need to do? Right, we need to go ahead and take the strip of very vanilla and the scrap piece, and we're going to bring in our piercing mat, and taking the bird that faces this way when it's stamped down, because there's one that faces the other way. Oh, and you can't see now because the sun's come out. I'll see if I can still do it, and if you don't see it, then I'll scrap it and do it again, and you'll never know. So I don't know why I'm even saying that, because if I scrap it, you'll never know that I scrapped it, and you'll be none the wiser. We shall try. I'm talking to myself now. So we're using what I'm using, crumb cake, and the bird that faces this way. And you'll need to take that along to your big shot, and using your dies, cut him out to look little tweet there. I'll save him for later. And then we need Tempting Turquoise, and we're going to do the sentiment, which is happy birthday, and we're going to do that to the left hand side, but leaving a little bit of an edge because we're going to use our banner punch. So we're going to leave about that much space, like that. And then we need to bring in our banner punch, and we're going to do this one first. Like that, and then taking your strip of Tempting Turquoise, we're going to do that, and then we're going to adhere that onto there, like so. And don't worry that it hangs over a bit, because we're going to just go and, oops, snip that off. like that. And then taking our card base and putting these all to one side, just going to burnish our card and then adhere this down. This is a very fast card. I just hope you can see it. Okay, we love the sunshine, but this time of the day it is just so on my work. How rude. Right, I'm going to pop some Tombow down on the doily, and we're going to put that towards the bottom right hand corner. Then we'll take our banner and we're going to glue this down as well, because we're putting dimensionals on the bird and the flower. Bring that across to the edge, put that down, and then we need 3 dimensionals, 1 on the back of the flower and 2 on the back of the bird. And he's going to sit just there, and then the flower's going to go down here, and he's not sitting right. Why are you not sitting right, Mr. Birdie? He might need some help. I'm going to put another dimensional under him because he's not sitting right. Oops, gosh, I can get him under there. Get under. There you go. Pop that down like that. You might need an extra. His little feet are sticking up. The little birdie's feet. Look. His little feet are sticking down up. Right, going to bend his little feet down. There you go. That looks better. And we have some pearls here. I'm just going to take one of these pearls and pop it down in the centre. And the sun's gone in just in time for you to see the result at the end, which is just fantastic. And look, this looks great in either colour. So if you like me, I have so much DSP left over, that tons of it actually, so I will be making quite a few of these, I think. And there are, just have a look at the sentiments on the stamp set. Let's have a look. We have happy birthday, thoughts for you, congratulations. So there's quite a few different ones that we could do with the same card layout. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick case card class, and a little bit different with another stamp set. How cool is that? Loving that. So please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.